Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, I got my Main and Six Schwash beer, my Hyperion shirt, 2 local breweries near me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep sharing. So, you got the Anvil Crucible Conical. Whether it's the smaller one or the 14-gallon, doesn't matter. You decided to buy the leg upgrade so that you can get a keg under there and get this going directly into the keg. This is easy. Mine came with 4, so I had a spare. I didn't use any of them. You can pop these off simply by either using a very fine flathead, a little harder, a butter knife, or the best thing to use is a knife that's not sharp, but very, very thin. You can get in there, you can pull the locking piece out, you can pull the tab out, and you can reuse them. Super simple. That's the easy part. Now, I know somebody at Anvil's like, what? Yeah, we'll talk. The hard part, and I'm gonna bring this down so you can see it, is putting these 3 pieces, which have to go like that, on here. Okay, doesn't sound that hard, but it really is. I've come up with an easy way to do it, and I mean very, very easy. Let's get the good beer out of my way for now. Yes, we're doing a double giveaway again. It's a Monday thing. First, for anyone and everyone, no matter where you are, I will try to get you the book. If not, I'll get you the Kindle. The Complete Homebrew Beer Book, 200 Easy Recipes. It's not just ales and lagers. They also have meads and ciders in here and some very cool recipes in here. Definitely a nice book, nice and thick, brand new. And for US only, I'm sorry, we have brewing equipment, the Anvil baseball cap. Keep the sun off of you when the sun's out, whether it's wintertime or summer, especially if you're in Florida. If you're not in Florida, at least for the summer, this is a nice, beautiful, brand new hat. Keep watching for the keywords. So we've already replaced these. We put the tabs in, we got the longer legs. We're all good. Now the trick, and I do mean trick, in a previous life, I used to do a job where rubber gets really hard during the winter and it's very soft in the middle of the summertime. So with that theory in mind, trying to put these on without doing anything to them was very difficult. First, you're gonna wanna take the feet off. The feet, the easiest way again, a butter knife, or like I said, a nice knife that's not too sharp. You don't wanna cut anything. You just wanna get under it and pull it up. That's all you're looking to do. So I've already kind of started to pry on these. So I've taken the feet off, okay? Take these little rubber grommets. They have a little groove in them. It's very fine. And drop them in hot water. And I mean hot water, like 150 Fahrenheit. You don't want to boil the stuff. You don't want to damage the rubber, but you want that rubber to sit in there for a good, probably 3 to 4 minutes at least, to get it nice and warm. Because what's going to happen is it's going to get soft. We're going to jump ahead. Okay, I know it hasn't been a full 3-4 minutes. It's probably been going on a little over 2 minutes. You want to take these metal things. Mine are showing machined edges on one side, but not on the other. So I want the prettier side up. And you're going to basically make a triangle. So I'm going to take one, and you're going to want to make it as close as you can together. Because that water is still about 150 degrees and very hot, and I used a Pyrex to keep from burning myself. It's nice and flexible. Don't let it cool down too much. You're going to slide it on in. And because it's wet, it's kind of lubricated too. I know we got a few Beavis and Buttheads out there giggling right now, but hey, it's all okay. It's all good. Now, that's it. Super simple. Now, it didn't catch all the way around, so you can take something very sharp or very thin, I won't say sharp, get it under the edge and pull the lip out. So that way it's all the way around. There we go. Should be nice and round. If you have a flat edge like that, just get your flat. There we go. And I pulled it out. So now that looks really nice. This side's a little rougher. There we go. You want to try not to cut anything. You're just trying to get under that lip and pull that lip out. There we go. And all I'm doing is getting under it and lifting it up so it pops outward. So we're good there. Okay, now we're going on over 3 minutes, so this should be really easy now. Okay, same thing, machine side down. I'm gonna take the next one, try to get that as close to a triangle as possible, using something to get it out so I don't burn my fingertips a little. Super soft. I take it, I shove it in. And like I said, because it's wet, it's kind of lubricated in a way, but also because it's warm, it's super flexible compared to when it was cold and I was fighting with it. That was very annoying. As I say that, and I had a little issue. Turning it a little bit, some of it will pop out on its own, which is kind of nice. Then again, take your knife, go up under the edge or whatever flat, thin object you have. It's almost perfect. You can take your time, make sure it's nice and round and looks good. Leave the pieces in the hot water until you're ready for them. Okay, so we have two together. It's not picture perfect, but it's getting there. Oops, almost. It's not that hot, but it still stings a little. Okay, super flexible. Put this one on. And it doesn't look great in the beginning, but like I said, you take your knife or whatever flat, thin object you have, stick it under the edges, and I'm just flipping up. That's all I'm doing. I'm not cutting into it. I'm not trying to cut into it. I'm just flipping it up so that the lip can go up and over the edge of the metal. And that's it. I'm done. You have to have the feet off. Take some Star Sand. You can use water. You can use oil if you really want, but Star Sand should be just fine. I like to use Star Sand for a lot of things, and I just noticed that I didn't fix that, so I'm gonna fix it. And it looks a lot better. Okay, and I simply either spray it on here, or like I did last time, I'll just spray it on here. Set one on, get the next one lined up. There's one. I didn't get the Star Sand where I needed it. There we go. There's two. And there's three. Take your feet, put them back on. Take a paper towel, you can wipe it all down. Yeah, I could have separated this and made it really hard, but I'm gonna make it easy. If you're looking to win the hat, you're in the US, it's simple. The keyword down below, all you have to do, because we pull the keywords randomly once a week, at the end of the week, it's one time, Anvil. That's all you have to do, is put the word Anvil somewhere in your comment down below if you're looking to win the hat. If you're looking to win the book, all you have to do is put homebrew. And yes, you can win both, you can win multiple times, it doesn't matter. So for the book, homebrew, and for the hat, Anvil. Thanks. I'm done, that's it. It's that easy. It can be very difficult if you don't heat the rubber up. That rubber is very tough, and if you're in a cold room, that stuff's been sitting in that room, and it's at 70 degrees, or oh my gosh, you're up north and it's sitting in a basement or sitting in a garage at 50 degrees, you're gonna be fighting to get this on. All you have to do is put it in some water, 150 degrees, 2 or 3 minutes, super soft, will flex, you can stretch it, move it around, push it in, squeeze it, whatever you gotta do, and it comes together really, really easy. If you do it cold, I warned you. Thank you again for joining us here at Bitter Reality Brewing. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Definitely appreciate it.